Welcome to Ampry. In this video, we're going to cover how to add your Ampry pixel into your Shopify store. So you'll see I have a Shopify store up here. You're going to navigate to the app section. We're going to click on visit the Shopify App Store. What we're going to search for is JavaScript, so go ahead and type that in and hit enter. You'll see these options come up. The one we're looking for is the custom JavaScript and jQuery. We'll click on that and we'll pull this up. Go ahead and add the app. Click on the install app. Once the app has been loaded into your account, you go ahead and click on the add new JavaScript snippet. You can name it whatever you want to name it. You can leave that or change the name. Go ahead and click on the boxes to activate both of those. And what we're going to do is navigate to Ampry. Go ahead and click on the install pixel. That'll load this page up for you. And go ahead and click on the copy button to copy the pixel tag. Then all you're going to do is paste that into the account there. Once that's in there, go ahead and click publish, and then publish again, and you are good to go. And that is how you install the Ampry pixel in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.